the America Invents Act was passed last fall. Mm-hmm. And so perhaps what would be a good idea, since we've all heard about the America Invents Act, or patent reform, I guess they call it. Cathy, could you tell us what exactly changed?
Sure.
What does the America Invents Act do for us?
Sure. Well, it was a very significant change to patent law. It was the first major change in 50-odd years since the major reform. So under our current law, the way we've been doing business, if multiple people have similar ideas that they put forth to the patent office, the patent is awarded to the person who can prove that they had the idea first. So it's a first to invent system. So you go into a process of arguing with the patent office when you have another party that thinks they've invented an idea, and they get down to who actually conceived the idea, who developed it, and the patent is awarded under that regime of first to invent. The rest of the world, however, works on what is called the first to file system. And so if there are, again, multiple parties with the same invention, the patent would be awarded to the party who is first to file a patent application. And we are switching to that system. So in March of 2013, the United States will flip a switch one day, and we will change from being a first to invent to a first to file system. So what that means for the university it's something obviously the tech transfer offices are working with. We're considering our filing strategy with patents. For research administrators, I think you really need to be aware that there are some changes to how and when a researcher should publish. We want to make sure that we time our patent filing perhaps differently than we're doing in the current regime. I think there's a number of changes that are a less of a direct impact to the research community, but there are changes in the law on appeals process, on fees and things within the patent office. But I think the most significant change is that from really being sort of first to invent, where we relied on the fact that we didn't need to worry about patenting right away because it would come down to, if there was ever a question, who was the first to invent, and if we kept good records, we could live on that. But now we have to think a little bit more about getting to the patent office in a timely fashion.